I had to film that. You see that? Yeah, she came on her wheelchair, man. That's a corner party here.
Estamos en Cali, papá.
Pero a la cuenta de tres.
Uno, dos, tres.
Si huele a caña, tabaco y brea, usted está en Cali, ay mire, vea.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Ay mire, vea. Si las mujeres son lindas y hermosas, aquí no hay fea.
You see? This is Cali now. The real Cali. Space. This is really amazing. Okay.
I was taking a sip.
No.
Hot water, washing machine, 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, stand-up showers.
What's up, beautiful people? My name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, man. I'm here to tell you about Cali Colombia Nightlife. You see cute girls?
I think we should go to the other spot.
But there's this one club that we went and we felt like these guys robbed us because they asked us to pay 40,000 Colombian pesos each as an entry fee. No liquor. You know, sometimes when you pay that at the entry fee, they give you more liquors, you know, or maybe the whole table is served, or they give you something crazy. But here we paid as entrance fee each, and they gave us nothing. And actually there was no even musician performing. You know, sometimes when there's a musician performing, it's quite different than just you going inside a club. Yeah, this club is called La Fabrica. Right there. Oh, that's the club. It's really packed, you know. It had good vibes, but honestly we felt like it wasn't worth it paying 40,000 Colombian pesos to go in. 40,000 Colombian pesos is around $12 to 15, around there, depending on how you do your calculations. And man, for me, I'll say like this, man, Cali nightlife is very, very good, but you have to know 2 things. You have to know how to dance salsa. Learn your salsa before you come. Learn your salsa before you come. Or just know how to move around, because I'm telling you, man, there the women will come for you like this, literally pick you from the chair and tell you, hey, I want to dance with you. And that's how it is. So you can imagine if you're this American guy, or you're a guy from Australia who does not know even how to shake a little waist, you know, it's gonna be a big problem, man. I'm telling you, and I'm telling you for free, this is gonna be a big, big, big problem. And another thing you should understand about Cali is it's the center of salsa. So everything you're doing there is more of like, you wanna dance salsa. It's dance, 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 dance. But how much does it cost to party one night? I'll say if you have $50, American dollars, I mean American dollars, not Canadian, 50 USD, okay? You'll party the whole night good, and you'll buy even people some drinks. You'll be like the boss. You know what I mean? You'll be like the boss. That is per night, okay? And I'll say like this, Actually, Friday and Saturday, all nights are popping in the city. And there are different types of clubs. You may go to clubs which really, they don't care about salsa. They're all about dancing, music, dancehall, Afrobeat, you know, trap music. And you go to other clubs where it's purely salsa. And those clubs which is purely salsa, sometimes you may not find single girls there. You may see them a few, but most of the time they are accompanied by their boys. So I would not even recommend you going to a salsa club for the first day. Go to these other regular clubs, you'll find a lot of girls. There are a lot of girls. When I say a lot, and I mean a lot of beautiful girls, you'll find them there. You can have a chat, you can talk to them, you can get to know them, you know. Yeah, Cali Colombia. So another thing you should know about Cali Colombia is when you're traveling or you're moving around the city at night, you have to use a very local, they have a local application like Uber, which is not Uber, but it's a local one, which is super cheap. Actually, as I already said, we travel from the center of the city to a very far end of the city. It's called La Menga for only $3. Actually, it's like a 15 minutes ride. Yeah, 18 minutes ride for only $3. Yeah, using this local application. Yeah, so Uber is good, but it's not the best. Actually, I'll rate it from, don't use the local taxis because they are very expensive. I'm not spoiling business. I know everybody's trying to get $1, but I'm trying to advise my viewers here, like local taxis are more expensive. But from local taxis we have Ubers, then from the Uber we have this local application. If somebody knows the name, please comment in the comments here. There's this local application. It's something Cali something, I don't know, I'm not very sure about it. Actually, it's very cheap to use that local taxi or local application to look or to find a taxi.
In the streets of Cali, I met one of my subscribers. He told me he's in Cali, so we're just walking here. Hey, say hello, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? Mara inspired all of this stuff, man.
Yeah,
Since
yeah.
2017, I've been watching his stuff.
Yeah.
He inspired all of this.
There's somebody peeping from here. I don't know if she's a girl. Right here. Right. Oh,
Man.
actually, she's a girl. See? Oh, man.
So,
Tell us what you like.
a real name,
No, the one you like to be called.
Kevin.
Kevin. Yeah. So I'm with Kevin.
Call me Kevin.
Yeah.
I'm from the States.
We're in Cali, you know.
So as I already said, $50 a night, man, you'll be doing good. How are the girls in Cali? The girls are really beautiful, and one thing I love about them is they wanna dance. So yeah, you go and say, hey, can I dance with you? Some will say no, some will say yes, but mostly they will say yes. But another surprising thing is they may walk up to you and tell you, hey, I want to dance with you. And if you don't know how to dance salsa and you're in a salsa club, you may be like my boy right here. You know? Yeah. Comparing Cali Colombia Nightlife and Medellin Colombia Nightlife, actually all of them are really good. One thing I like about Cali Colombia Nightlife is you'll find normal girls. Normal girl, I mean a girl who will not ask you for money to do any type of favors for you. You'll find a girl who wanna know you, a girl who wanna, and that's one thing about Cali. That's one thing actually I discovered about Cali.
Cali Colombia.
All around I was there, I used Tinder, I didn't see any girl asking me for money. They were all very honest, they were telling me they wanna know me, and that's one thing I loved about Cali. But this other side, Medellin, Colombia, it's purely the other side. Every girl you meet, 90% they will ask you for money, they will ask you for everything, for taxis, for, man, it's boom, it's so crazy. So Cali could be a hard city for you to get a date, but if you get a date, it's worth it. That's how I'll say, man. You know what I mean? You may get a date in Medellin, Colombia, which is very genuine and it can yield fruits, you know, but the percentage is maybe out of 10, 7 will be wrong, 3 will be good in Medellin, Colombia. In Cali, it will be the opposite, okay? 7 will be good and 3 will be wrong. Good, I mean like they won't ask you for money, they won't ask you for favors. Even if they ask you, they will ask you in a very good way. Not like Medellin, Colombia, where a girl tells you, hey, me, I'm here for this. If you give me this, I'll show up. If you don't give me this, I'm not showing up. You know, he is like serious business, and I'm like, wow, that's Medellin, Colombia. But Cali is more of nice, good touch. And one thing people love about Cali, which I have to mention here, is the presence of black women in Cali. So, you know, some people, everybody, I mean, I respect your decision. Some people prefer black women, other people prefer white, other people prefer, I don't know what you prefer, but what I'm trying to say is many people tend to like Cali because of that.
I asked him if he's Will Smith. This guy looks like Will Smith. And he was like, you look like my father. He was telling the security guy.
Yeah,
like,
he looks like my dad back in the States.
Yeah. So he actually can meet a lot of black population, as you see. Oh, sorry, right behind us, a lot of people, black like us. So we're gonna feel comfortable, you know. Okay, so let's go to the main club. Okay, that's how we're working like the MVPs. Let me turn the camera.
God of Colombia.
Yeah.
Because there are a lot of curvy black girls there. That's because Cali is close to another city called Buenaventura. Buenaventura is purely black. So those people come to the city to look for opportunities, and to the city of Cali, I mean. And that's why you find like Cali has a lot of black population. Yeah, so let me get to know what you guys think in the comments below, and maybe if there's something I didn't speak about Cali that you guys have been there and you know, please comment here. And if you have any good information to help somebody going to Cali, comment, man. That's how you support the channel, that's how you make this channel something valuable. Let's give some value, don't comment things, negative things. Let's give value to this YouTube channel, man. I want to sign out here and say, man, I love you all. Thank you for your support, thank you for those subscriptions, man. We're hitting 84,000 subscribers as per this video. And man, I'm gonna say thank you so much, and man, I'll see you in my next one. Ciao ciao, man. Adios. Please practice your Spanish, practice your salsa, practice your dance before you go to Cali. And my name is Marwa, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Ciao.
We are close to dog park. I don't know.
Yeah, dog park.
Corte.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to